Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video where we will be downloading some more songs from YouTube. So as promised in the last video, in this video we will be downloading multiple songs at once. This will, for the first part of the video, be from a YouTube playlist, such as the one that I've got open here. And for the second part of the video, I will also explain how you can download many songs at once if you've bookmarked them, because this is what I usually do. So in my bookmarks, I can go manage bookmarks and I can look at all of my bookmarks. And this is going to be different to having a YouTube playlist. If you haven't watched the previous video, then make sure to click the link in the description down below and watch it, because we will be building upon it and you will not have caught up if you're just watching this video straight away. So let's get started. We will first of all once again go into the location of where CMD is, open file location, and let's edit this aliases file. Last time we didn't put a -i as one of the settings, which we will do this time. This says if there is an error with the video you're downloading, just continue doing whatever you're doing. If it's just one single video, this doesn't really matter, but if it's a whole playlist and it breaks halfway through, it's going to stop downloading the rest of the songs. We don't want that. So if a video for some reason doesn't want to be downloaded, for example, if it was privated by the uploader, then now it will just be ignored and our program will continue on to the next videos in the playlist. Save that and close it. Okay, let's open up CMD as before. And now we can use this command that we created last time to also download playlists safely. Let's find a playlist, for example this one. Up here we can grab its link. A playlist has a link which looks something like this. And if I type in ytmp3 followed by the URL of the playlist, I can press enter. And if I check out my music folder now, it should start getting music into it. As you can see, I am getting music downloaded into my folder, and all of the songs which aren't private or gone otherwise will get downloaded into my music folder eventually. I just need to wait. Okay, so now let's see how we would download all of our bookmarked music. We'll start off by creating a small script which downloads each link one by one. So let's create a new text document which will become a Python file. I will call it mass download.py. Yes. And let's edit it with idle, why not? I will have this script down in the description below. Paste that and save it. I am not going to close it, as I want to first extract all of the bookmarks from my browser. To get all of the links to the bookmarked songs we have in Mozilla Firefox, we can open up the hamburger menu, go into bookmarks, manage bookmarks, find all of the bookmarks in our folder structure, select them, Ctrl+C, and then they are on our clipboard. Next up, I will paste them into this website, which we will come back to in just a short moment. We can do this similarly for Google Chrome. We can open up the menu, bookmarks, bookmark manager, find wherever the bookmarks are, select all of them. I will click the first one, scroll down to the last one, hold shift and click the last one, Ctrl+C, and once again paste them into pinetools.com/find and replace. The link will be down in the description below. Since what we have is actually just raw links on separated lines, this won't be suitable for our script. The YouTube URLs actually need to be separated by commas, and around each URL we need to have quotation marks, either single or double, it doesn't matter. So in our case, what we would need to do if we were to do it manually is go up to each link, put quotation mark there, there, and put a comma. There, there, and put a comma. But we don't like doing things manually around here, so let's go back. And what we will do is use this website, which will allow us to do some regular expression replacement. So we will search for \n. What this says is search for any new line. So at the end of this link, there's actually a new line, a \n character, and then this link. We will replace it with quotation mark, comma, quotation mark. Note that Python doesn't really care about new lines in the context of lists. So we don't have to do a new line here, or spaces for that matter. And we won't, because this website doesn't seem to deal very well with new lines. Make sure to switch mode to extended or regular expression, it doesn't really matter. And then we will click replace. As we can see, we now have all of our links separated with a quotation mark, comma, quotation mark. We can select all and copy. Now the very first link and the very last link will be missing quotation marks, so that's quite easy to add on. Add a quotation mark at the end and add a quotation mark at the start. We pasted that in between these two square brackets. We will save that. And now let's run this script. Note that I've actually saved this script in my music folder. And the easiest way to run it is to, as you can see, click here, type in cmd, and it opens up a cmd terminal straight into that folder. Inside of this folder, we will run the script by typing python mass download.py. And it will start downloading all of the songs which we put in our playlist. As you can see, they're all getting downloaded. Just a quick note here, it actually doesn't matter where we keep this script. I could have had it on my desktop for all intents and purposes. And I can once again do cmd here and run the script. Python mass download.py. And the music is still going to be put into the music folder. So if I delete these just to show that they're actually coming in here, there you go. And so that is the end of this tutorial. If you liked this video, then please do like and subscribe. If you disliked it, then feel free to press the dislike button and tell me in the comments down below what I could have done better. Also, once again, as always, do feel free to ask questions in the comments down below. I will do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Until next time, thanks so much for watching and goodbye.